Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform bulk user actions in Moodle. Bulk user actions enable administrators to select users by creating a filter and then perform any of the following actions. Confirm user accounts created through email-based self-registration which are not yet confirmed by the user. Send a message. Delete user accounts. Display a list of users on a page. Download user data in text, odds, or Excel file format. Force users to change their passwords. Add users to a cohort. First, let's navigate to the Bulk User Actions page. In the navigation menu, click on Site Administration. Under the Users tab, click on Bulk User Actions. If you know them, choose your users from the available list or else click Show More to reveal more filter options. Users can be filtered according to full name, surname, first name, email address, city, town, country, confirmed, first access, last login, username, and authentication. Select users from the list. Select in the box on the left those users you require and move them to the box on the right by clicking the Add to Selection button. From the drop-down box with selected users, choose the action you wish to perform and then click Go. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to perform various bulk user actions in Moodle. These actions help you manage users efficiently and save time on administrative tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.